Hey, you.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Keep your fat ass off there, catch that 10-piece honey hot with the Caesar fries and the Kool-Aid to drink. What I tell you?
They say when you real, you go through the most. I'm a living witness. Ain't no lines you can't cross in the street when you trying to go get it. Figured out the street when I was sweet, I was dying to jump in it. Who beefing with us? Let's ride out. No, I'm down to get ignorant. Play with one of my niggas, I'm in it, ain't mine in my.
What's going on, YouTube? Today we finna show you young niggas the right and wrong way to shoot guns. Y'all be killing innocent folks out in the streets. When y'all just shooting, spraying, and praying. I'm finna show y'all the right and the wrong way. And we gonna be shooting the hood nigga loadout. Thing all you young niggas carry. A Draco and a Glock. It's my Glock 20 10mm, my micro Draco. We finna shoot both of them, the right and the wrong way. So, finna jump straight into it. We finna shoot the Draco first. I'm finna show y'all the wrong way y'all be shooting this motherfucker. Then I'm gonna show y'all the right way. We finna go on start, alright? I think it's one already in the head. One in the head already. Alright, this the wrong way y'all be shooting that motherfucker. Y'all be walking backwards and shit. That's the wrong way. This the right way you shoot this motherfucker. It's the right way you shoot the Drake. Okay. Now here go what it look like up above.
Congratulations, you just tapped Miss Maybell on the head.
Now I got the Glock 10 with the 30. But it's like, ain't number like 15 shots in it, so I'm finna show y'all the wrong way y'all be shooting this motherfucker. I ain't never shot like this with no Glock or no pistol at that. I'm finna show y'all how y'all do it. And y'all see this bullshit? Y'all see this bullshit? But y'all have switches on it. Y'all shoot sideways with switches. And it's the right way you supposed to shoot a handgun. Now if it was a person right there, I would have hit him every time. Cause even probably won the same distance, every shot, but the motherfucker was in line. I was watching. Motherfucker was in line. But you know, that's how y'all do. I got probably, might be 3 or 4 left. Again, here go the wrong way y'all shoot the pistols, the Glocks and shit. Had a misfire. I gotta clean this motherfucker. Now here go the right way. Wrong way. Right way. That's it. Nothing left in it. Thick ass gloves, I couldn't get it back. Nothing in it. Empty. Here go the loud ass Drake again. Ow. Here go the overview watch of how y'all be shooting the Glocks and shit.
Oh shit, they done shot Dominique McVeigh in the ass. God damn. Check this out. I'm a real nigga Texas Ranger.
Alright, we back. Now I'm finna show y'all once again how y'all be shooting the Drake round. Should be one in there. One in there already, this loud motherfucker. This what y'all do. Close your eyes and you walk backwards. Young nigga, here goes the tip for you. Plant your feet, get you some good shoes. Plant your feet, you spread your legs. Like you're finna do a split, or you can hit a split. But when you hit that split, you not gon' move. I'm done shooting this motherfucker. This motherfucker too loud. Got about 10 rounds left. I might get y'all mag, I don't know. Depends. But yeah, that's a quick tutorial on how the hell you shoot your gun the right way. And there go, I'm gonna put your Overwatch together. But yeah, y'all gotta stop shooting y'all guns wrong, man. Y'all be hitting everything but who you wanna hit. Talking about you head tapping. You head tapping Miss Maybelle in her living room while she knitting. You head tapping Miss Lucille while she on the toilet. You head tapping Curtis while he's skinning fish. You head tapping people in their ass. You're shooting the wrong folks. Shooting up cars. Y'all gotta do it better, man. Yeah, these are two main young nigga loadout, and y'all be shooting them. And y'all be scared of them. That's what I think y'all be scared of the sound of these young. They be loud, but just shoot the damn gun. Damn. Give them to me if you ain't gonna shoot them right. Shit. But that's the end of this video, man. Show y'all youngin' what y'all be doing when y'all be shooting these guns wrong. This used to be my favorite gun. It ain't though. I got an F&N 10mm. That's my. I should have brought it out. This is my favorite gun though. This is my favorite one. Then it's the F&N 10. Then it's this one. Then I got an AR. I don't even shoot my AR. I'm too accurate with it. I gotta get better with this junk. I know I'm better than y'all, cause I ain't tapping Miss Maybelle on the head while she knitting and shit. Watching the Good Time soap operas and shit. Knocking her wig off. But yeah. Man, this is all for this video. I'm gonna get back to y'all with something else when y'all piss me off. Pull that motherfucker out. What I tell you?
They say when you real, you go through the most. I'm a living witness. Ain't no lines you can't cross in the street when you try.